Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel. How to fix apps shortcut icon missing on Chrome browser. So let's get started. Open the Google Chrome browser and check the top bar where the Google Apps icon should appear. If the app shortcut is missing, move the cursor to the top bar and type Chrome // flags or settings related search, as shown in the video. A list of options will appear on the screen. Scroll down and find the option Show Apps Shortcut. Click or enable the Show Apps Shortcut setting. After enabling it, check the left side of the Chrome bookmarks bar. The Apps button should now appear on the bar. Click the Apps button to open the page showing all available Chrome apps. You can now easily access Chrome apps using this restored shortcut. The creator asks users to like and subscribe if the fix helped.